How to delete call history on WhatsApp. To get started, first of all, you need to open the WhatsApp application on your phone. You will then be taken to this page where you can view the chat list. Then, tap on this call icon at the bottom panel. Once you're in this page, tap on the three dots at the top left corner of your screen. Then, tap on Edit. After that, you need to hit the clear button at the top right corner. Proceed with your command by tapping on this option, Clear Call History. You can see all the call history has been deleted. All the incoming and outgoing calls has been removed. You can't retrieve the call history if deleted. So, by following these simple and easy steps, you can go ahead and delete call history on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.